Torrential slide is a cryptographic money that has been causing disturbances in the computerized cash world. Its special calculation and quick exchange speed have made it quite possibly of the most famous advanced cash out there. Many individuals are thinking about what's in store for torrential slide and whether its cost will keep on rising. In this video, we will investigate what torrential slide is, what crypto specialists consider it, and, obviously, show our Avax coin cost forecast. Kindly recall that our cost forecasts don't comprise venture guidance. Consistently do your own exploration prior to trading any digital forms of money. What is torrential slide? Controlled by the coordinated non-cyclic chart streamlined agreement component that works with quick exchange speed and versatility. Torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage that empowers anybody to make, run, and oversee decentralized finance applications. Torrential slide additionally has its own local token called Avax. There are multiple ways for Avax holders to acquire rewards, for example, giving liquidity to the organization. The more Avax tokens you hold, the higher your prizes will be. As well as hodling Avax, you can likewise procure prizes by running a validator hub or marking your tokens in one of Torrential Slide's numerous dApps. Torrential Slide utilizes a decentralized independent association to decentralize power and come to conclusions about the organization. This DAO is comprised of Avax token holders who can decide on proposition that will affect the organization. Torrential Slide is fairly one of a kind in that its center stage really comprises of three distinct blockchains: the trade chain, the stage chain, and the agreement chain. Every one of them have unmistakable capabilities and purposes, however, are completely interoperable, which permits the Torrential Slide organization to augment its proficiency, speed, and versatility. Torrential Slide Specialized Examination. The Torrential Slide digital money answers all around well to drift changes, meaning it will in general move in a similar course as the remainder of the crypto market. Avax has additionally shown that it has both mooning potential and essential help to ascend back up again in any event, when the circumstances are difficult. To wrap things up, the coin's market cap is major areas of strength for genuinely. At the hour of composing, Avax was inside the best 20 digital forms of money on CoinMarketCap. By and large, these things highlight a long-haul bullish instead of a negative pattern for torrential slide. With respect to the transient Avax cost estimate, kindly gander at the gadget beneath. Refreshed continuously based on different markers, for example, moving midpoints and the general strength record, it typifies the consequence of torrential slide's specialized examination performed by TradingView. Assuming the outcome is purchase, that implies Avax is probably going to ascend from now on. On the off chance that it's so, the coin's cost might decline soon. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of torrential slide costs expected in 2023, the base expense of torrential slide will be $20.03. The greatest level that the Avax cost can reach is $23.23. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $20.79. Possible return on initial capital investment: 51.3% by Avax value figure for WAC 2023 in light of the value vacillations of torrential slide toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Avax pace of $15.94 in WAC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $14.42 and at $16.39 individually. Likely return on initial capital investment: 6.8% by April 2023. Torrential Slide Value Estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the Avax cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $15.97, while the most extreme could reach $17.03 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of torrential slide may be around $16.58. Likely return for money invested: 10.9% by Avax value estimate for May 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value vacillations of torrential slide in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Avax rate they anticipate may be around $17.07 in May 2023. It can drop to $16.47 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $17.69. Possible return for money invested: 15.2% by June 2023. Torrential slide value figure around mid-year 2023. The Avax cost will be exchanged at $17.41 by and large. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the torrential slide worth to $18.55. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $16.66 in June 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment: 20.8% by Avax value gauge for July 2023. Crypto specialists have examined torrential slide costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023, $17.76. The most minimal and top Avax rates may be $17 and $19.24. Likely return on initial capital investment, 25.3% by August 2023. Torrential slide value figure. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Avax cost will be around $18.47. In August 2023, the torrential slide cost might drop to at least $17.71. The normal pinnacle worth may be $19.96 in August 2023. Likely return for money invested, 30% by Avax value figure for September 2023. Having examined torrential slide costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Avax rate could arrive at a limit of $20.69 in September 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $18.24. For September 2023, the estimated normal of torrential slide is almost $18.84. Likely return for money invested, 34.8% by October 2023. Torrential slide value estimate around mid-2023. The torrential slide cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $19.60. Crypto experts expect that in October 2023, the Avax cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $18.99 and $21.45. Likely return for money invested, 39.7% by Avax value gauge for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the torrential slide worth won't dip under at least $19.23. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $22.43. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $19.99. Expected return on initial capital investment, 46.1% by December 2023. Torrential slide value conjecture. Digital money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Avax costs all through 2023. For December 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of torrential slide will be around $23.23, with a chance of dropping to at least $20.03. In December 2023, the normal expense will be $20.79. Expected return for capital invested, 51.3% by torrential slide value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of torrential slide in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of torrential slide will be around $30.06. The most extreme expected Avax cost might be around $34.28. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $31.10 in 2024. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of torrential slide, in 2025, Avax is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $44.51 and $51.09. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $46.07. Torrential slide value expectation 2026.